Welcome back, everybody, to Unniche Tailored Living. Alright, everybody, welcome to the shit show. Apparently, we bought a lemon because we woke up this morning to a flooded basement. As if this wasn't a bad enough experience down here from everything just being shoved in here. So now we have to dig through it, take care of all of the standing water, the wet boxes, etc., etc., etc. FML times 10. That's where I'm at right now. So, as happy as we are that spring seems to be coming early and now all the snow is gone, now we have a mess to clean up. Spent $150 on totes today to try and salvage everything and get it fixed, so wish me luck, friends. So let me just say, I'm really glad that I have Wyatt, because earlier this morning, I was trying to do all of this with a broom, because that's all I had. It was quite the interesting show. But now, he found me a squeegee that we didn't have to buy, and makes life that much simpler. However, I would like to know where all of this water is coming from. I guess this is one way to get the floor mopped. 10 out of 10 do not recommend this way. So if you were thinking, hey, that's a really good idea, let's just flood the basement. Yeah, don't do it. But you know me, positivity queen. These floors will be exceptionally clean after this. You know what would really help speed this process along? These floors were fucking even. Instead, I'm pushing it, and then it gets caught in the divots and just leaves a puddle. Oh! This was not on my list of things to do this weekend, but I've been saying for weeks that I wanted to get the basement done, so I guess this is one way to do it. Fuck. No! Come back! Now's as good a time as any to actually go through the shit. Just piles after piles after motherfucking piles. God damn. You're home! Believe it or not, this looks 10 times better than what it did this morning when I first found it. Why does it look like it's just seeping? Bye-bye, stink bug. Here is what we believe to have happened. This bad boy. Leaks. There was stuff all around it. There was stuff in this hole. I don't want to talk about it. I'm ADHD OCD. So when I came down here and seen stacks just like this, my OCD says find ways to put it where it belongs, and then my ADHD paralysis kicks in and nothing happens because I just get very overwhelmed, so it's easier to just walk away. Because it's in the basement, it's out of sight, out of mind. The only thing I come down here to do is let my dog out and excuse me, do my laundry. So that's it. Those areas were cleaned, so it was like just ignore the rest, tunnel vision. So with that happening, the drain actually wasn't working either. So the drain was like tilted, so instead of draining it, it was actually like a stopper. So because that happened, the water expanded all throughout the basement, and now I am believing that the boxes / totes / whatever is in here is actually blocking the water as well, so that's why I'm getting these pockets. Because it's all kind of like trapped, plus the floor being uneven obviously doesn't help anything. So we bought these fancy totes that we're transferring everything to. And here's to the newest shit show. In a panic this morning, I moved what I could out of the water, so what clothes were left unpacked, things of that nature, I just moved them over here. Oh god, this is a catastrophe. Don't judge me, please. Just know this is a work in progress, because this side also leaks, which is why nothing was over here to begin with, because this side leaked worse. We didn't even know that side leaked. So this was a complete surprise. I was expecting this side to be flooded, but clearly not as bad. So we are moving the unwet boxes here, the stuff that was already in totes here, and then moving the new totes over here as well. So I'm starting with the new totes with the boxes that have gotten wet. That way I can salvage that stuff, and then whatever totes I have left over, I'm going to shift the boxes into totes, etc., etc., etc. Eventually we're going to mash to all of those totes, and then we're going to build shelving units to fit the said totes. So everything's going to be matching, everything's going to be peachy keen and happy to go. Oh, hey, he got some of the boxes out of here. Sweet. This basement has just been a catch-all since we moved in. I have all of my eBay stuff down here. I have everything down here, and it's just very overwhelming and a freaking mess, but I work well under pressure, so I guess that's the urgency is there. So now it's gonna get done this weekend. There's a whole nother puddle of fucking water here. Where the hell? Okay, alright, here we go. Okay, warm stuff and stuff I don't know what to do with right now. Cool. Okay. Here looks like a good spot. I'm trying really hard to like organize as I go with what has to be done. So, and just extra topping on the cake, I have to wipe down all the frickin' lids because my kid decided to go ninja with the wet broom and get mud everywhere. This is why we can't have nice things. Warm stuff. And I'm using a chalk marker so that if and when I rearrange these, I can just wipe the labels off and they're not permanently marked up. I hate that shit. You can find a new home in the burn pile. Except this little car I found. Remy likes cars. My baby gets it. Oh, beautiful, gorgeous, fantastic. At least we're making a wee bit of progress. I say a wee bit because that's literally how I feel. Like, it's just an itty bitty bit of progress. You have a home, and it is right here. Some things have homes. Focus. Oh. Yep. Great. I am running out of space here, guys. So before anybody wants to hate and wonder why I'm doing this by myself, I am not doing this by myself. Wyatt was down here this morning helping me, and not to mention, my man is out there hand digging a trench to try and get the water away from the house because apparently right through here is a low spot, and so all the water was just like piled up right here from the 3 inches of snow and 8 inches of rain we got last night. So gotta cut some slack, guys. It's team effort. Okay, cool. Here we go. Another one bites dust. And another one goes, another one goes, another one bites the dust. Ow! We're getting creative with our sticking. Good. Awesome. You are, but you are right in my face. Have I even made a dent in it yet? Awesome. See, this is what sucks. I had an area set up for all my craft stuff right here, and I haven't got around to like actually going through the drawers and stuff, so now I have a box that I have to unpack that is full of craft stuff that I should just be taking care of, but instead I'm putting it in a tote. Woosah! It's fine. Everything's fine. So here's what I'm going to do just for peace of mind. I'm going to take some of the odds and ends craft stuff that I found out here and put it in the tote just to clear my space until I get this done, because there's a lot going on here and I need room to do it, to organize it, if that makes any sense. So that's what we're doing. It's fine. What is this? Bingo cards. Why do I have these? Trash. I don't need half of this stuff. Fuck. Ah! The only reason I'm doing this is because there's still room in this tote. Just FYI. In case anybody was worried about it. I'm sure you aren't, but, you know, just in case. Figured I'd let you know. Clearly labeled, so I remember. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. I'm not gonna lose my shit today. Breathe in, breathe out. More warm stuff. Awesome. Along with a bunch of kids' clothes. What size are these? This can all be yard sale stuff. I don't even want to physically go through it. That's the point I'm at here. Nothing got wet. We're good to go. Put a lid on it. Please close. No. No. Please. No, don't do this to me. Thought we were friends. No. Are you broken? Why are you not working? Why are you not full? It's on. Why is it not latching? I don't understand. Are you faulty? I don't understand. I don't have time to understand. I don't get paid. Oh, fuck, this is heavy to understand. Hindsight, this probably isn't the best place. Oh. We're doing really great things, guys. We're getting there. I don't know what the hell this is. Oh, flubbery guts and paper guts and fricks and fucks and foo. This is not what I wanted to do with my weekend. Day 2 of the shit show. Majority of the water has dried up. What hasn't dried up, as you can see, is kind of in the low spots. So that means we can concentrate it and get it where it needs to go just a little bit better. I still have some odds and ends in here. Totes are on the bottom, other than this big ass thing that I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with yet. So we got majority of the stuff out of here. So today I am going to be cleaning up what's left here. Apparently she's getting a head start with the broom. Okay. And then I am going to be moving some of the stuff that's still in boxes, because remember I said that we moved the dry boxes in here away from the wet spots, and moved the wet boxes into totes to begin with. So I'm going to be moving some of the boxes into totes, getting that out of the way, and yeah, we're trying. I would also like to start getting my craft workstation somewhat taken care of, because I have a bunch of plastic drawers over here that have other things in them. So I want to empty that out, start putting the craft stuff away, because it has a home, it needs to go to it, and get that organized and kind of get some of that junk out of the way. So that's the plan. We shall see. Hey, that's Mommy's. No, Mommy's. Hey! You making fun of me? Push it towards the hole. Hug time? Is it hug time? Oh, you're just gonna fight me? Not hug time?
No.
Oh, okay, it's fight time.
Hug time.
Is it hug time?
No.
No, okay.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Look out, babe. Come on, move. You know, you're delaying the process quite a bit here. Mm-hmm. Okay, pretty proud of that, huh?
Hug time.
Hug time? Okay, hug time. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's for sure. Okay, I feel like this is as good as this is going to get for right now. What do you think?
Good.
It's good? Well, not really, but okay. Fudge!
Baby juice out.
We don't need to do that anymore. I got most of the water out. At least the standing water that I could. Oh, yeah. Okay. Should we go move some stuff? Okay. Let's see what we got. So this side is actually the smaller side of the basement. And I don't really know what the best course of action is here. I know what I have to do. I just don't know how to do it. This is my space I have to work with right here. This little walkway. Yep, okay. Well, not getting anything done standing here thinking about it. So, just start. This is just a never-ending game of Jenga. I feel like my organization is getting less organized because I keep finding things that have a tentative home but don't have a home yet. So like I found a bunch more stuff that can go in with my craft stuff, but I need to get a box emptied to get into those drawers. And especially with her, this is like herding cats. Day 3 of this shit show. Still plenty of water. And minimal organization because I'm actually taking the time to go through everything and kind of get it in its prospective places and making them prospective places. These drawers don't hold as much as I thought they were going to. Everything I emptied out of it, and it didn't even take one box of my craft stuff to fill it up. So that's cool. So I still have all this other junk that I have to find a place for. But baby steps, one thing at a time. We're working on it. It's a super duper fun time, and we're just gonna keep working on it. This kind of gave us the motivation to start doing it, not the motivation we wanted, but to be fair, I did just say I wanted motivation. I didn't clarify what kind. So we will be building shelves. We will actually be doing this downstairs basement. Downstairs basement, like there's a different kind of basement. We're going to do the walls, do the floors, make everything pretty, one step at a time. If you guys want to see more videos like that, be sure to hit the like button. Wish me luck, because I'm gonna need it. This shit's fucking stupid, dumb, asinine. My thesaurus app isn't working right now. Whatever. Anyways, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, be sure to like the video, be sure to comment anything else, any organization tips and tricks you have for the small space in this scenario. Love to hear them because my brain feels like overcooked cabbage. Just mush. Just, there's nothing there anymore. Anyways, so yes. And as always, guys, even in the bad situations, remember to smile.